ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांचिये। Swadharma is superior than Paradharma, even though our Swadharma is not fascinating, captivating, though, and others' Dharma may be fascinating, tempting us. We should die in our own Swadharma. Dying in Swadharma is going to give us big result than opting someone else's dharma. Swadharme nidhanam shreyah paradharmo bhayavahah. This was the explanation given by Bhagwan, and he directed all of us towards Swadharma. We should follow our Hinduism wholeheartedly, no matter Westerners or other uh, so-called religions, they tempt us. We like them without knowing our philosophy, without knowing our concepts. Just because someone saying something about our dharma, we also take doubt. We also have so many questions about our dharma. If you have questions, we should ask a well-versed person, then our all the questions will be answered in a right way, and faith in our dharma will shoot high. We should do our dharma, we should follow our dharma blindly. That's how our Hinduism Sanatan dharma is. Now moving further, today is Independence Day. If you think little bit, then what kind of independence we have, we also don't know. But everyone is saying that happy 70th Independence Day. In what sense we have become independent? Even as a country, if you see, we are not safe. The Kolkata incident, if you see, horrible incidents. Doctors, if you say Bangalore things, the person who is playing Hanuman Chalisa, he also got beaten up by other community. And so many incidents keep on happening in Kerala, in Hyderabad, in Delhi, Uttarakhand, everywhere. Are we enough independent to go out and do whatever we want, or follow our dharma, prove our dharma, establish our dharma in society? Nowadays, those people who talk about Hinduism more, they are also threatened by other community. So in what sense we have become independent, God only knows. So today Bhagwan Krishna is going to talk from spiritual aspect, from inner world standpoint, that we are still dependent. We are not independent. Unless spiritually or in inner world we are independent, till that point we cannot celebrate Independence Day in its true essence, in its true sense. So, very beautiful question Bhagwan Arjun is going to ask to Bhagwan Krishna. So, in India, we are not free. We are not, you know, independent. We are dependent on so many things. So we have to think about that independence. Independence in what sense? So today Bhagavan is going to talk. Wonderful question and wonderful answers by Bhagavan Krishna. Bhagavan Arjuna says, Arjuna uvacha अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूरुषः अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूरुषः अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः अथ केन प्रयुक्तः पुरुष अयं पापं चरति पुरुषः अनिच्छन् अपि वार्ष्णेय बलात् इव नियोजितः. Beautiful question by Arjuna. He talks about independency. Wonderful question. Today, what a coincidence. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day and we are thinking about what is real Independence Day celebration from inner standpoint. Now, Bhagavan says, Hey, Arjuna says, Hey Varshneya, means, O Bhagavan Krishna. Varshneya is Kula, Bhagavan's clan is Varshni Kula Utpanna, Atha, therefore, Varshneya. He says, Atha, now, means already you said dharma we should die and adharma we should not, swadharma we should die, paradharma we should not follow. Still, Atha, thereafter, means having known this everything also, then kena prayuktaha, what is prompting, what is impelling ayam purushah, this person who has gained knowledge, who is not ordinary person, like realized person also, kena prayuktaha, by what he is compelled, anichan, he doesn't wish to do wrong thing, anichan api, though he has, without anichan means by anichan, his own will is not there, but still he will do wrong things, this person. So by what he is compelled, though he is not having desire to do wrong things, balat, forcefully, niyojitah, he is forcefully forced to do things, niyojitah, iva papam charati, how this person who doesn't have desire to do wrong things and he is forcefully pushed into doing papam. Papam charati. Kena prayukta. Main sentence is this. Kena prayuktaha papam charati. Why a realized person, wise person also commit sin forcefully without a desire? How that person commits a sin? That is the question. You see, now already Bhagavan said we should die in Swadharma. Everyone knows that we should do Swadharma. Then why everyone is not doing Swadharma? Very genuine question. Now he says, wonderful explanation. Tari deva he aise kaise je jnaniyanchi hi mati sthiti भ्रंशे मार्ग सांडूनी अनारी से चालत देखो तरी देवा हे ऐसे कैसे जे ज्ञानियांची ही स्थिती भ्रंशे मार्ग सांडूनी अनारी से चालत देखो देवा तरी ओ लॉर्ड ऑलरेडी यू सेड तरी देन हे ऐसे कैसे how is this possible deva o lord how is this possible J, what? J means the reason. What is the reason? Why he is saying ऐसे कैसे? ज्ञानियांची ही स्थिति भ्रमशे. Realized person also, enlightened people also, sthiti भ्रमशे, they also forget their knowledge, wisdom and marga sandoni anarise chalat dekho, and they have one vision in their life. Realized people, they also give up their vision and start walk somewhere else. Anarase chalat dekho marga sandoni, they give up their path and start walking on a wrong path. Now he says enlightened people, they are almost sarvadnya. They know what are the solutions. Still, why do they opt for paradharma? सर्वज्ञ ही जे होती, हे उपाय ही जाणती, ते ही परधर्मे व्यभिचरती कवणे गुणे. सर्वज्ञ ही जे होती, हे उपाय ही जाणती, ते ही परधर्मे व्यभिचरती कवणे गुणे. जे सर्वज्ञ ही होती मीन्स ऑल प्रॉब्लेम्स solution they know, or sarvajna means they know everything about body, about jiva, about mind, about world, mithya, everything they know. They are almost sarvajna. Sarvajna hi hoti je, those who are sarvajna, he upaya hi janati, they know all the solutions. Meditation, japa, pilgrimage, going to different temple, doing pujas, doing havan, everything they know. ते ही परधर्मे व्यभिचरति, they also do others duty, they also don't do their duty. Kavane gune, what is the reason that they don't do their own dharma? Why? Then what is genuine question? We see how many sadhus, how many santa mahatmas, and how many problems they are in, and what they do ultimately. Horrible. Now he says, if someone is blind, we can understand he cannot separate husk and the seed. But a person who is having eyes, proper eyes with no power, power means glasses are not there. Still, he is also mixing the husk and the seed. Bija ani bhusa, अंधू निवडू नेणे जैसा, नावेक देखणा ही तैसा बरळे कापा. बिजा आणि भुसा, अंधू निवडू नेणे जैसा, नावेक देखणा ही तैसा बरळे कापा. बिजा, seed. Bhusa, the husk. Andhu, nivadu, ne. Blind person doesn't know how to segregate them. Jaisa. Taisa, jaisa, like just like a blind person doesn't know how to separate seed and husk. Taisa, like that. Naveka dekhana hi barale kapa. Like that good person who is having good sight, that also he is also unable to segregate them. How is this fair? If blind person doesn't do, agree. But if a person who is having good eyes, he also doesn't do properly, means knowledgeable people, they know everything, still they commit sins. If ignorant person does, we can understand he is ignorant only. Asa, asata, mistake, some mistake. जे असता संगू सांडती, तेची संसर्ग करिता न धाती, वनवासी ही सेविती जनपदाते. जे असता संगू सांडती, तेची संसर्ग करिता न धाती, वनवासी ही सेविती जनपदाते. Now he gives example about whom he is talking. He says, asata sangu sandati. Then, people who have given up attachment. Sangu, attachment, sandati. So people, those who have given up all the attachment. asakta, and they only later, unable to stop, having attachment to many things. What a example he is talking, from what standpoint he is talking. People, those who are detached, they come back and they are attached than a samsaric person also. Asata sangu sanditi. So whatever attachment is that they have given. Techi, same people. Samsarga karita na dhati, and their mind is never satisfied after enjoying so many pleasures, after having so many attachments. Na dhati, mind is never satisfied. Who? Those who already gave up their attachment, but they later so much attached, they're, they are not satisfied within. Vanavasi, he said, those who have given up all the society and have started residing in forest, they also come and settle down again back in people, because without people they can't live. They need someone to talk. What talk? Some rubbish talk they do. But Vanavasi, they were before nicely living in forest, no people around them, no other thoughts, no vicious thoughts, no jealousy, no hatred, no rivalries, no competition. But they again come back to people where they are residing. Then you see how the idea is expressed here. Apanatari lapati सर्वस्वे पाप चुकविती परी बलात्कारे सुईजती तयाची माझी आपण तरी लपती सर्वस्वे पाप चुकविती परी बलात्कारे सुईजती तयाची माझी आपण तरी लपती they hide themselves initially, okay, they hide themselves सर्वस्वे पाप चुकविती, and they try to avoid papam, sin. They escape from papam. And what happens? Pari balatkare suizati tayachi maji. Again, they are forcefully dragged into this papam. So they hide themselves first. Then they try to escape from papam. But again, they are forcefully pushed, or dragged into this papam. Now, Naneshwar Maharaj says, explanation you see. जयांची जीवे घेती विवसी तेची जडो निठाके जीवेसी चुकविती ते गिवसी तया तेची जयांची जीवे घेती विवसी तेची जडो निठाके जीवेसी चुकविती ते गिवसी तया तेची. Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, like, we are tired of few things. We are tired of few things, and those things only come and, cling on to us. Zayanchi of few things. Jive, this jiva, this mind, this embodiment here has. Gheti vivasi, they don't like few things. Those things will be techi, zadoni, thake, jivesi. Those things will be, clinging on to ourselves. So what we don't want, those things only will come and stay with us. Few things we want to avoid and, run away. Those things only will come and encompass us. Sukaviti te givasi taya techi. And what we want to avoid, those things also will come and encompass us. The fiend which sees this grips hold of them. So what we don't like, that will show up. What we try to escape, those things will encompass us. Wonderful. Nareshwar Maharaj says, or Arjuna says, what is that force because of which everything is happening? So those who detach people, they are also more attached. People who are residing in forest, they again come back to this place. People who are jnani, they also follow paradharma. What is the reason behind that, Bhagwan? ऐसा बलात्कारू एक दिसे, तो कवणाचा एथ आग्रहो असे. हे बोलावे ऋषिकेशे, पार्थ म्हणे. ऐसा बलात्कारू एक असे दिसे, तो कवणाचा एथ आग्रहो असे. हे बोलावे ऋषिकेशे, पार्थ म्हणे. ऐसा बलात्कारू एक दिसे. देर इज समथिंग inside us. There is something inside us which is forcing us, which is forcing. Ek dise. There is something we can see. So kavanacha, this force which is there inside us, what is that and who is behind it? तो कवनाचा एथ आग्रहो असे. तो कवनाचा एथ आग्रहो असे. Who is, dominating us? We know everything. Still we do wrong things. We know what are the consequences. Still we commit sins. Kavanacha agraha, who is the dominating power behind us? He bolave ऋषिकेशे पार्थ म्हणे, you must tell Bhagavan. Parth म्हणे, Arjuna says, you must tell this Bhagavan. Some force is there, but who is behind that insistence, emphasize, and or dominating power? You tell Bhagavan. Bhagavan, without second thought, he starts. Shri Bhagavanuvach काम एष क्रोध एषः रजो गुणसमुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्येनमिह वैरिणम् काम एष क्रोध एषः रजो गुणसमुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्येनमिह वैरिणम. True independence, Bhagavan is talking now. कामः एषः, क्रोधः एषः, रजः गुणः, रजगुण समुद्भवः, महाअशनः, महापाप्मा, विद्धि एनम इह वैरिणम. Beautiful shloka. What a question. Why people commit sins after knowing everything? Answer is रजः गुण समुद्भवः. Rajah guna samudbhava. Samudbhava, udbhava, which is coming from what? Rajah guna. From Rajo guna, it's coming. How he is? Mahapapma. This will force you to commit largest sin in the world, which you also won't imagine. I can do such a bad thing in my life. Yes, Mahapapma. Mahashana. Mahashana. No matter how much things you do, you enjoy, it want more, more, more. Who is that? Eshaha kamaha, desire. Then Eshaha krodhaha, anger. Asti. So what is the reason behind committing sins? Desire and anger. Enam, to this too. Iha, in this world. Vairinam, vidhi, you know this is and your enemy. These are your enemy. You know this. Who will tell this? You tell. We think that person is my enemy. This person is my enemy. Relatives are my enemy. My wife is my enemy. Are the kama and krodha which is there sitting inside, that is our enemy. Like Guruji says, that is our enemy. We won't get it after listening pravachan also, because everyone has it. It is deep inside. Now, tava hृदय कमळ आरामू, जो योगियांचा निष्काम कामू, तो म्हणतसे पुरुषोत्तमू सांगेन ऐक. तव हृदय कमळ आरामू, जो योगियांचा निष्काम कामू, तो म्हणतसे पुरुषोत्तमु सांगेन ऐक तव हृदय कमळ आरामु. That who is residing in heart, which is like a lotus, means lotus heart. Since Bhagwan lives in that Kamala, that is why Bhagwan, this heart is called as lotus. And Bhagwan is residing in our heart or everyone's heart. My heart also, your heart also. Hridaya Kamala Aramu is resting in my heart. जो योगियांचा निष्काम कामो, one who is nishkam, one who doesn't have desire. Such yogi, a yogi, one who doesn't have desire. Such Bhagwan is desire of desireless yogi. Bhagwan is desire of nishkama kamu, desire of desireless yogi. तो म्हणत असे पुरुषोत्तम who is उत्तम, superior among all the human beings. He says, Sangen, I will tell. Aika, listen. So there is a problem in the world. There is nobody who can tell solutions to us. Even someone tells us, we don't listen. Bhagavan says, I'll tell you, listen. तरी हे काम क्रोधो पाही जयाते कृपेची साठवण नाही हे कृतांताच्या ठाई बाणीजती तरी हे काम क्रोधो पाही जयाते कृपेची साठवण नाही हे कृतांताच्या ठाई माणजती. भगवान says हे काम क्रोधू, this kama and this means which is residing in your heart. Kama krodhu pahi, you see them, understand them. Krupechi sathavaana nahi. This kama krodha doesn't have compassion. Let us, this person is dying because of me. So kama will say, okay, I will leave you. Now I release you from all the sorrows. Kama krodha will never say. Person dies, he continues desires in next body also. That's how they are brutal and cruel. Krupechi sathavaana nahi. And this Kama Krodha, they are as good as Yamaraja. He Krutantacha Thai Manizati. This Kama Krodha, they are considered as Yamaraja. Yamaraja only. How these Kama Krodhas are? Beautiful explanation. हे ज्ञाननिधीचे भुजंग विषयदराचे वाघ भजन मार्गाचे मांग मार्गजे. हे ज्ञाननिधीचे भुजंग विषयदरांचे वाघ भजन मार्गाचे मांग मार्गजे. This Kama Krodha explanation you see. Okay, let us live with Kama Krodha, but explanation you see how lucid it is. This Kama Krodha, these are the two snakes which are sitting on knowledge. Knowledge is kept in one big, box, you can say, extraordinary box. And on that box, these two snakes are sitting. Generally snakes are guarding the treasure which is there. So the knowledge is the treasure, but these Kama Krodha, they are the snakes on that treasure. So when you go near to knowledge, and these are Vishayadaranche Vaga, these Kama Krodhas are like tigers. So tigers generally they reside in, valley. So wherever valley is there, tiger will be there. But this valley is Vishayadaranche Vaga. So this object sense, pleasures. These are pleasures. These people are, this Kama Krodha are tigers of that pleasure valley. So we have different valleys. But one valley is very, very dreadful. What is that? Vishayadaranchi, the valley of objects, pleasures. And these people are Vaga. So we all love pleasures. And this Kama Krodha, they are tigers. भजन मार्गाचे मांग मार्गजे. And this काम क्रोधs are bhajana margache mang. So they are like bhajana marga means we do bhajana, praying to God, these that. They are uh, on road there are few street thieves. These Kamakrodha are like street thieves on this bhajana marga. So when you do bhajana, the Kamakrodha will come. Anything you do, but they are there also in spirituality. Kamakrodha there also they can show up. So one is on knowledge path they can show up. Second, when you go into the world, they can show up there. And bhakti path also they are there, Kamakrodha. So how much careful we should be. Then where all they show up, Kamakrodha. हे देह दुर्गांचे धोंड इंद्रियग्रामीचे कोड याचे व्यामोहादिक बंड जगावरी. हे देह दुर्गाचे धोंड इंद्रियग्रामीचे कोड यांचे व्यामोहादिक बंड जगावरी. So this deha means body, and that body is called as fort. So this body is like a fort. So on fort there are different rocks, big rocks. So if one rock comes down from that fort, people who are climbing that will die right away. That how the big rock is like that. This body is like a fort, and these Kamokrodhas are like big rocks. So when we live our life, the Kamokrodha comes on us and we die right away there. We don't realize that. Indriya Gramiche code. And this mm, Indriya Grama. So Indriya, sense organ. Sense organ is like a village, and Koda means it is like a wall, the protecting wall around that village. So if that wall falls, then everyone will die. All sense organ along with a person will die, means not the actual death, but they will die. So Kamakrodha can protect us, but if they are not well maintained, they can fall on us. Like that, Kama we should have, which is dharma viruddha bhuteshu kamosmi bharatarshaba, which is not against our dharma. And anger also should be there just to get some work done. As I'm teacher, so sometimes I have to show anger to get few things done. So anger and desires, they are important to live the life, but not problematic desire, not uncontrolled anger. Anger, how we take our handkerchief and we click, wipe our hands and we keep it back. Like that, anger should be taken whenever it is necessary, used and kept it back. व्यामोहादिक बंड जगावरी. Vyamoha means wrong thinking and what not. Moha, then shoka. This shoka moha banda jagavari. So Kamokrodha has more, power on this wrong thinking and, lamenting, all these things. Banda jagavari. They are with Kamakrodha. They are with this wrong thinking and all. Hmm. Mental confusion. चलो, from where this comes? हे रजोगुण मानसाचे समूळ आसुरियेचे धायपनय यांचे अविद्या केले. What, how explanation of Kama now? Kama Krodha, from where they come, who have nurtured them? हे रजोगुण मानसाचे समूळ आसुरियेचे धायपनय याचे अविद्या केले. हे रजोगुण मानसाचे, they are from Rajoguna. Manasache, like born like mind, they belong to mind. So Kama Krodha belong to mind, which comes out from Rajoguna. Samula Asuriyeche, and they are pure, mere Asuri Sampati, demonical forces. Demonical forces. Asuri Sampatti. Asuri, they are not good. They are very, very bad. Samula, their root is very, very bad. Demonical forces they are born of. And avidya kele yayanche dhayapana, and ignorance has nurtured them, fostered this kamakrodha. Now he says, though kamakrodha they are born from rajoguna, but tamoguna loves them like anything. You see how he is now adding masala into that. He rajache ki razahale. Definitely. He rajache ki razahale. परी तामसी पडियंते भले तेने निजपदयादि धले प्रमाद मोहो हे रजाचे कीर झाले परी तमासी पडियंते भले तेने निजपदयादि धले प्रमाद मोहो हे रजाचे कीर झाले इट दिस काम क्रोध दे आर born from rajoguna but they are loved by तमोगुण पडियन्ते भले ताम तमा तामसी so tamasi padiyante so tamoguna loves them. Then what happened? This pramada and moha, they gave their own position to this kamakrodha. Means whatever can happen with pramada and moha, if kamakrodha is there, it will happen. Tene, so tamasi tamoguna, tamasi rajoguna, tene nijapadaya didale pramada moha. This pramada moha, they are effect of tamoguna. So they gave their own position to kama and krodha. Oh my God. Then, हे मृत्यूचा नगरी मानिजती निकया परी जे जीविताचे वैरी म्हणवनिया हे मृत्यूच्या नगरी माणिजती निकया परी जे जीविताचे वैरी म्हणवनिया in mrityu in the world of mrityu in the city of mrityu or in the house of death this kama krodha has so much regards and respect nikya pari manizati so this kama krodha has respect but where in the house of death जे जीविताचे वैरी म्हणवनिया and that is why they are the enemy of our life. Kama Krodha will straight take you to death. Every day death is happening because of Kama Krodha. Jayansi, now how these Kama Krodhas are there? Jayansi bhukeliya amisha हे विश्वनपुरेची घासा कुळवाडी यांची आशा चाळीत असे जयांसी भुकेलिया आमिषा हे विश्वनपुरे घासा कुळवाडी यांची आशा चाळीत असे जयांसी भुकेलिया आमिषा इफ दे आर हंग्री if kama krodha they are hungry then entire world also they can swallow in one mouthful in one morsel they can swallow entire world and still they cannot be satisfied or satiated if the kama is hungry. Vishwa na purechi ghasa, this entire world would not be enough as a morsel to satisfy kama krodha. कुळवाडी यांची आशा चाळीत असे and asha asha means hope. One day I'll be happy, one day I'll be happy. That hope is taking care of the business of this kama krodha. So now asha also, the hope joins kama krodha. And whatever kama krodha's business is there, kulavadi, asha chalita ase. Asha is looking after their business. So asha make sure that kama krodhas are flourishing every day. कौतुके कवळिता मुठी जिये 14 भुवने थे कुटी ते भ्रांती तिये 10 कोटी वाली दुल्ही. कौतुके कवळिता मुठी जिये 14 भुवने कुटी थे कुटी should be there. थे कुटी th should be there. ते भ्रांती तिये 10 कोटी वाले दुल्हे. Now Bhranti comes, who is the younger sister, Dhakti, younger sister of this Kamakrodha. Now Asha came to flourish Kamakrodha's business. Now, how is this Kamakrodha? You see, Kautuke Kavalita Muthi. This Kamakrodha, if they try to, encapsulate all the 14 worlds, still it will fall short to them. In previous shloka, he said, if entire world becomes one morsel. Now in this verse, he says, even in fun or casually, if this Kamakrodha try to encompass or encapsulate all the 14 worlds, pleasurism, still that will be less. Thekuti. And now, te bhranti tiye dhakuti wali dulli. That bhranti becomes the younger sister. The younger sister of this Kamakrodha. Now Asha came, flourished business. Now Bhranti came, became sister. Bhranti means wrong thinking, imposing something on somewhere. Happiness is not there, but we impose that. Now, जे लोकत्रयाचे भातुके खेळताची खाय कौतुके तिच्या दासीपणाचे बिके तृष्णा जिये. Now Trishna is also coming, which is never satisfied. That is called Trishna. जे लोकत्रयाचे भातुके खेळताची खाय कौतुके तिच्या दासीपणाचे बिके तृष्णा जिये. Now Trishna becomes dasi of this Kama Krodha. What is Trishna? Trishna is that this Lokatrayache bhatuke, the entire world is like a food. Khelatachi khaya kautuke. And in just like that, this Trishna will swallow or will eat entire world. Lokatrayache bhatuke, this entire 3 worlds, they are like bhatuke, food. And this Trishna, it will swallow that. That is called Trishna. That Trishna, which can swallow entire world just like that, it becomes Dasi Panache Bike. It becomes Dasi. It becomes servant of that Kama Krodha. Now Bhranti, now Asha is there to flourish business. Bhranti has come. Okay. And then Bhranti is younger sister, and then there is one more Trishna Dasi. So many things are backing this Kama Krodha. Bhagavan wants to say that it is not easy that you remove them just like that. So now, हे असो मोहे माणिजे याते अहंकार घेपे दिजे जेणे जग आपुलेणी भोजे नाचवीत असे. हे असो मोहे मानिजे याते अहंकार घेपे दिजे जेणे जग आपुले भोजे नाचवीत असे. Now ahankar, ego comes. Now ego comes. So this Kama Krodha has so much respect. Where he also, now enough, Naneshwar Maharaj says, Mohe Manije. This Kama Krodha has so much respect by Moha, illusion, wrong thinking. Yate ahankare ghepe dije. And ahankar, this ahankara individual that shares fair share with this kama, krodha and moha. So this kama, krodha has so much respect in the house of moha, illusion. And this ahankara, which makes dance entire world. Ahankare जग आपुलेनी भोजे नाचवित असे. This ahankar, ego, individual, that individual will ask the entire world to dance on his tip of fingers. That ahankar, khepe dije, now deals with kamakrodha. Ahankara is also dealing with kamakrodha. Ego is there, kamakrodha, you see how strong they are. Then what happens? This kamakrodha, what they do? Oh no, now dambha also comes. Oh my god, now अभी तो स्वारी आई है. जेने सत्याचा भोकसा काढिला, मग अकृत्य तृणकटा भरिला, तो दंभुरुडविला जगी इही. जेणे सत्याचा भोकसा काढिला, मग अकृत्य तृणकुटा भरिला, तो दंभुरुडविला जगी इही. So, सत्याचा भोकसा काढ, there is one animal, live animal, for example calf, and you see, this is how human being thinks. So that calf, the inside part of that calf, they will remove, they will put inside the calf, that calf's skin, inside that skin they'll put some other things, and that calf will be standing in front of that cow. Cow will think that, oh, my calf is there, and she will give milk. Olden days, I don't know what kind of techniques these are, because it is difficult to for give milk to that calf also and survive that cow also and live our life, because few people that time may be having, their livelihood on cow and milk. Now what, some person has removed the life from that calf and put inside some artificial material, so that from far it looks like a calf. It means what? Inside nothing is there valuable, but outside everything nice. It looks like a live, alive calf. It is called dambha. Inside nothing is there. Outside full tilakam, dress and everything. Walking, the car is there and people around them, everything. It is called dambha. So this dambha also joins this kama krodha. Now it is very, very powerful. This dambha has brought this kama krodha in front in this world. Naneshwar Maharaj says, Dambho rudavila jagi ihi. What is dambha? Satyacha bhokasa kadila. Satya went on back step. Satya step back. So Satya went away. Mag akrutya trunakuta bharila, and akrutya, wrong doings, wrong actions put inside. So the truth went back, wrong things came in front. That is called dambha. And this dambha brings kama krodha in front. Means, in short, what Bhagwan want to tell, people who are not real, inside something, outside something, those people, they will have more kama krodha than normal person. Sing just simple abhanga very quickly. कामे नेले चित्त नेदी अवलोकु मुख, अवलोकु मुख, बहु वाटे दुःख फुटो पाहे हृदय. कागा सासुरवासी मज केले भगवंता, मज केले भगवंता, आपुलिया सत्ता स्वाधीनता ते नाही. प्रभाते से वाटे तुमच्या यावे दर्शना, यावे दर्शना येथे नचले चोरी उरली राहे वासना येथे अवघे वाया गेले दिसती सायास दिसती सायास तुका म्हणे नाश दिसे झाल्या वेचाचा कागा सासुरवासी मज केले भगवंता केले भगवंता आपुलिया सत्ता स्वाधीनता ते नाही ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलीक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांतिः हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम